In my dreams I know that I can fly, just like the small birds and the free birds. I can fly just like the birds on high, in the freedom of the skies. I can soar across the heavens. How easy now it seems. Like the birds, I'll have no cares or sorrow, in the shadow of my dreams. Ireland, my Ireland. Seems to me that all the trees are sighing in the breeze. Ireland, I cry for my land. The leaders of young Ireland have been banished o'er the seas. As I wander through this lonely land, my heart is filled with pain, for our people have no freedom, are impoverished and enchained. I see them fight and struggle against the hunger and the stony hearts of men. Ireland, your Ireland, banished to the land beyond the seas. As I gaze upon the beauty of this land, I can see a rich and fertile land. I feel the spirit of the nation. A young maiden weeps upon the harp. I see tumbling towns and towers in a land that's full of beauty, from the mountains to the seas. But the wildflowers down their heads in sorrow, in this valley filled with tears. Ireland, my Ireland. Seems to me that all the trees are sighing in the breeze.